Are you a business owner who can't get lending due to bad credit? Is it unfair? Are there circumstances that need to be taken into account? Do you want someone on your side that knows this stuff backwards? Do you want the second chance you genuinely deserve? In life, what you don't know certainly can hurt you. And unfortunately, many people are unaware that almost every single bad credit listing on your credit file can be legally removed. It doesn't matter if it's an inquiry you made, a default you've got, a court judgment, or even a repayment history information listing. All of them can be legally and permanently removed. How is this possible? Well, anything can be removed from your credit file if it doesn't comply with the legislation, if the creditor hasn't afforded you all of your consumer rights prior to the listing of the bad credit issue. Did you know there are more than 8,000 pages of legislation that most people have never heard of? These are laws that were created to protect us from the creditors and from the three main credit reporting bodies. At MyCRA Lawyers, we're masters at finding these mistakes and discovering the inaccuracies. These discoveries allow us to remove these unlawful defaults, inquiries, judgments, and repayment history information from your credit report. We use these consumer laws, these 8,000 pages of legislation, to protect your rights, to remove these issues from your credit report legally and permanently. Accuracy in reporting is absolutely essential to comply with this legislation. If the creditor hasn't complied, the listing is unlawful and must be removed. And sadly, almost everyone's credit report has serious mistakes. It's not uncommon to have up to 14 individual breaches in one default or bad credit listing. Discovering those breaches, discovering those mistakes, that's our specialty. When our team of experts starts to comb through your credit report, we uncover the reasons why your bad credit violates the law and needs to be permanently deleted. We lead the credit repair industry with our expert legal approach. Our lawyers, paralegals and support staff are here expressly to serve you and get your defaults removed in the shortest possible time. Our proven, documented, externally audited success rate is above 91.6% removal resolution rate. That's better than 9 out of 10. This success comes from a decade and a half of legislative research, all of the relevant laws in those 8,000 pages of legislation to find the reasons that the default listing, inquiry listing, the judgment listing, or the repayment history information listing is unlawful. We dot the I's and cross the T's and make sure that your creditor has done the same thing, and if they haven't, it has to be removed. If you're sceptical about credit repair companies or have had a bad experience in the past, you've got every right, but let me put your mind at rest. MyCRA Lawyers is a law firm. We're not a credit repair firm. We're a law firm that specialises in credit reporting law, which means we get defaults and bad credit removed every single day based on the law. The law says this. If that's not been met, the default, inquiry, bad credit listing must be removed. Check out our Google reviews. You'll see hundreds of Google reviews from people just like you that have had an amazing experience with MyCRA Lawyers. You could be the next. Read their stories, but more importantly, read about their successes. Click or tap the button below to set up a free consultation today.